Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm not unboxing anything. Today I'm taking an opportunity to touch on some of the core reasons that I established this unboxing channel. And it was really about sharing some of my passion. It was about sharing some of the things that were new to me or at least worth showing you what they were like in their box and packaging and accessories and all sorts of things like that. Today I'm celebrating 25 years in the industry, and with that I'm revisiting some of the things that have become markers, have become talking pieces, something that over those 25 years I struggle to get past how good they are, how good they sound, whatever it might be that has really struck me and kept me wanting to share and promote that product and sell it here in my shop. One of those products is the Meze Classic 99 headphones. These really simple, affordable headphones have always surprised me. Couple of things. Firstly, with some of these disposable headphones, or ones that really are difficult to repair or find spare parts, Meze have all of the parts readily available, and the most common, which of course is the headphone cable itself, is a standardized fixture and fitting. They come with two cables in the box, a 3.5 with the 4 conductors because it's got an inline mic, to 2 mono 3.5s. These are standard connections. We stock the cables at all times. The long one's available, the short one has the inline mic as I said. The pads are readily available, even the little band can easily be replaced. So these things have a really long lifespan to them, and that's really important with these, this consumer, fast fashion kind of approach to hi-fi. It's good that these are well supported. That aside, they sound absolutely superb. I've never once put these on somebody's head and them not be surprised at how good they sound for their price. The wood grain and the way that they make the cup has been analysed, and the roughness on the inside and all of those types of things is part of the character of the sound, and I love it. There's a class to them as far as that wood grain. There's 2 versions in this classic along with a maple, but anyway, there's a silver and wood grain, and then there's a gold and wood grain, which is kind of cool, giving people options, and the accessory cables are available in each of those colourways as well. A few little things. The tension on the head is enough to give you a sense of cup and isolation, but not so much that it's clamping your head. The headband is actually sort of sprung, and it means that the weight of the headphone is lessened, and it gives you a sense of comfort and ease of listening for a long period of time. Again, they're relatively light, they're brilliantly well built, and every time I think of headphones I start my conversation with these, the Meze Classic 99s, hence why I'm sharing them with you today as I celebrate 25 years with these iconic pair of headphones. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.